Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have a fascinating story to share with you. We'll be delving into the intriguing tale of how a bankrupt child turned adversity into opportunity and created one of the most iconic and prestigious automotive companies in the world, Rolls-Royce. So, let's dive right in. The year was 1884, when a young, ambitious Charles Rolls was born into a wealthy family in London, England. From a tender age, Charles developed a deep passion for engineering and automobiles, driven by the ever-growing popularity of the emerging industry. Despite the financial comfort of his family, Charles faced a significant setback that would shape his destiny. Unfortunately, when Charles was just a teenager, his father's business faced a sudden downturn, resulting in bankruptcy. The Rolls family fortune was lost, and Charles found himself in a rather precarious situation. However, this misfortune only fueled his determination to succeed against all odds. Undeterred by the family's financial downfall, Charles enrolled at Cambridge University to pursue his education. During his time there, he deepened his knowledge of engineering and began to dream of establishing his own automobile company. It was during this period that Charles first encountered the brilliant Henry Royce. Royce, too, had humble beginnings. Born in 1863 in Walton, England, he grew up in a family with modest means. However, Royce possessed an exceptional talent for engineering and an unwavering dedication to precision and quality. As fate would have it, the paths of Charles Rolls and Henry Royce would intersect, setting the stage for a legendary partnership. In 1904, the two men met for the first time at the Midland Hotel in Manchester. Charles, impressed by Royce's engineering prowess, proposed a collaboration that would revolutionize the automotive industry. Their partnership brought together Rolls' entrepreneurial spirit and Royce's technical expertise, leading to the establishment of the Rolls-Royce Company in 1906. The company's first vehicle, the Rolls-Royce 10 HP, marked the beginning of an extraordinary legacy. The partnership between Charles Rolls and Henry Royce proved to be a match made in heaven. Their shared commitment to excellence and unparalleled craftsmanship set Rolls-Royce apart from its competitors. The attention to detail and relentless pursuit of perfection became the hallmarks of every Rolls-Royce vehicle. Despite early challenges and setbacks, the reputation of Rolls-Royce continued to grow. The company's dedication to quality earned them prestigious clientele, including royalty, dignitaries, and celebrities from around the world. Each vehicle was a masterpiece, a symbol of luxury, elegance, and engineering brilliance. However, tragedy struck in 1910 when Charles Rolls lost his life in a plane crash while performing an aviation demonstration. The loss of Charles was a devastating blow to the company, but Henry Royce was determined to carry on their shared vision. I hope you are liking the video, so hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos. Let's come back to the topic. Under Henry Royce's leadership, Rolls-Royce continued to flourish and innovate. The company introduced several groundbreaking advancements in automotive engineering, including the introduction of the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament and the legendary Phantom series. Rolls-Royce cars became synonymous with opulence, grace, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Throughout the years, Rolls-Royce faced numerous challenges, including economic downturns, wars, and changing market demands. However, the company's resilience and commitment to excellence kept it at the forefront of the luxury automotive industry. In the late 20th century, Rolls-Royce faced one of its most significant challenges: financial instability. The company's expansion into other sectors, such as aero engines, had led to a massive debt burden. Despite these financial hardships, Rolls-Royce managed to navigate through the crisis with strategic partnerships and restructuring. One of the key turning points came in 1998 when Rolls-Royce entered into a joint venture with German automaker BMW. This partnership not only infused much-needed capital into the company, but also brought in innovative technologies and expertise that further enhanced the quality and performance of Rolls-Royce vehicles. Another significant milestone in Rolls-Royce's history was the introduction of the Phantom VII in 2003. This model marked the beginning of a new era for the company, showcasing a modern design while still embodying the timeless elegance and luxury that Rolls-Royce was known for. In 2003, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited became a wholly owned subsidiary of the BMW Group, solidifying the brand's position as a leader in the luxury car segment. With BMW's backing, Rolls-Royce was able to invest in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, research and development, and a global distribution network. Today, Rolls-Royce continues to redefine the standards of automotive excellence. Each vehicle is meticulously handcrafted with the utmost attention to detail and personalization, making it a true symbol of luxury and prestige. The legacy of Charles Rolls and Henry Royce lives on, inspiring generations of engineers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Their determination, resilience, and unwavering pursuit of perfection have made Rolls-Royce a true icon of British engineering and craftsmanship. From the bankrupt child who dreamed of building cars to the establishment of an enduring luxury brand, the story of Rolls-Royce is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and the indomitable human spirit. Conclusion. And there you have it, the remarkable journey of how a bankrupt child created the Rolls-Royce Company. We hope you found this story as inspiring and captivating as we did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories, and share your thoughts and comments below. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and never give up.